Oh yeah, they're really bright green and yeah.
I thought we call it that, hanging down. Portuguese.
Spanish moss.
Spanish moss. In where were we? Georgia.
Georgia, yeah, Savannah.
Savannah.
No, you have to go back. No, you have to go back.
That's the middle of that, isn't it?
We did the 13 kilometres in the gorge in 6 hours, and then the last 3 kilometres.
How hot was it?
Well, at the top it was cold. Yeah.